Right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money online just by receiving SMS on your mobile phone. Now you are basically doing nothing, just sit down, receiving SMS on your phone and you make money. I know this might sound funny, but you are going to be seeing this for yourself and you are going to be blown away. In this video right here, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can set up your account, how you can make this happen for yourself, and how you can start making money by doing almost nothing. Now, this is by far the laziest way to make money online today. And you're going to be surprised how you can make money with this very simple application by just receiving SMS. So I will take you to my screen right now, sharing with you the strategies and how you can set up this system and how you can start making money with this very system. But before we jump right into this video, if you are new in this very community, you are welcome home. My name is Norman Evans, and in this very community, I share videos around simplest and easiest way you can make money online, tech videos, and how you can build a business right here in the internet. Now, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, kindly go down there, make sure you smash that like button and turn on bell notifications so you will never miss out from any of my premium videos every single week. And with all this said, I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing with you how you can make this happen for yourself. So let's go. So guys, right here I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money definitely doing nothing just by receiving SMS. Right, I know this might sound very funny to you, but at the end of this video you're going to be seeing that you can actually make money by doing nothing. Right, you're just receiving SMS on your mobile phone and you are getting paid per SMS. Right, so the first thing is to come over to this very website I'm going to be revealing to you. Then you are going to be downloading this app on your phone, and once you download this app, you activate this and you start making money right now. Now this is by far one of the laziest way to make money online you can ever imagine right now. So make sure you follow every instructions in this video and follow every steps and strategies I'm going to be sharing in this video so you can able to achieve this. Right, so the first thing to do is to click on the link. So once you click on this link, the next thing to do is to download the app on your phone. Right, is to download the app on your phone. You only need to install an app on your mobile phone and you will get paid just by receiving text message. Secure, automatic, referral program, free, and that's all. You can go ahead and play this video right here to go through how they make money and how you make money. You get paid 0.02 cents when you receive message. You can withdraw your money when your balance is up to €2. Right, so the first thing right here is to come over, download this app right here. Now I'm going to click on open and I'm going to install this app on my phone. So once you have downloaded the app, the next thing is to open the app. Right, we downloaded the app already. We are going to open the app right now. As you can see, you get paid 0.02 cents for each SMS you receive automatically sent from our system. Right, if you click on this very place, run the app on the background and wait for our SMS to deliver. Right, make sure that you have good internet connection and always remain online. That's just what they need from you. So the next thing to do is to sign up an account. Right, you just click on sign up an account right here. Now this app right here and this platform right here support Nigeria. In fact, it's going to automatically select your country for you. So you can see, say please check whether your phone number is eligible for registration. This is very important. So the next thing is to put in your number right here, and you're going to see if your number is eligible for this. Once you are done that, click on next. Then they are going to check it for you. As you can see, and the number I use right now is an MTN line, and they are telling us that MTN line right now is not available, of which, as you can see, at the moment we have enough users on your network. We are going to see the available network by clicking this very place right now. Click on available network. As you can see, they are telling me that Airtel is available. As you can see, MTN is unavailable. Line Mobile is available. Glo is available. I'm going to use another network apart from MTN. Right, so let's go over again and try a new number. So we're going to try a new network and a new number right now. Now this is the more reason you have to rush on this right now. You don't have to sleep on this right now so that you won't miss out on this very opportunity. Now this is an opportunity to make money while doing nothing. Right, so you want to rush on this right now before all the network is taken, because they allow limited amount of people to register via each network. Because a lot of people are seeing this video right now and they are going to go ahead and register on this platform right now. So you have to click on the first link in the description to register on this right now. So I'm going to try a new network right now, and make sure you follow every instructions in this video so you'll be able to know how you can make money and how everything is done. So I will advise you to go right now and register. After you register, come back to this video and finish watching this video so that you know how you can make this happen for yourself. So I'm going to try a new number right now and I'm going to see if this will work out. Click on check. As you can see, this work out well for us. As you can see, allow money SMS to send and view message allow. Then I'm going to put in a password. All right. I have a referral code. It's very important. You want to click on I have a referral code. I'm going to be leaving the referral code in the description below. You are going to be seeing it close to the link to register this account. Just copy the referral code, or you can just write it out and you can use it. The reason you are using this is because you are going to be getting a bonus once you register. It's for your own good, so that you get an extra bonus that will boost up your earnings while completing your $2 threshold for withdrawal. So once you click on register, they are going to send you a verification email, of which you are going to use to verify your account. Now this is the verification email. As you can see, dear money SMS user, I'm going to copy this, and to verify your email you need this, and you just go here, paste it down here, click on continue, and our account is going to be ready. As you can see right here, say you have an Android 6 device, 6 Plus device. In order to work properly, money SMS required to run in the background mode. Please add it to the whitelist of app that will work in your background. Alright, I'm going to click on this, click on allow. Okay, as you can see right now, it's already running, right? It's already running, and I've already received one SMS, right? As you can see, SMS received in the last 30 days. I've already received one SMS right here, and I've already earned over 2 cents, which is 0.2 cents, right? You get paid 0.2 cents to receive SMS from us. Please keep the app running to stay online to earn money automatically. This is SMS sent and this is SMS received. As you can see, this is how money SMS work. Now you get paid 0.02 cents for each SMS received from our system. You run the app on the background and wait for SMS to deliver, and make sure that you have a good internet connection and remain online, right? That's just how to make money from this very application. Now this is where you have your access to your balance. If you click on this place right now, as you can see, I've earned over 0.2 cents, right? And when I register with the referral code, I got over 0.50 cents on this very account. As you can see, registration bonus is 0.50 cents. So once you use the referral code in the description of this video, you're going to be getting 0.50 cents upon registration. You are getting it, right? So make sure you use the referral code on the description of this video, so you can get 0.50 cents upon registration. That way you have €1.50 to make up your $2 threshold for withdrawal, right? As you can see, minimum withdrawal is €2, and this is the payment method. And you want to set up your payment method, click here to add payment. You can have PayPal if you have a PayPal account, and you can add Bitcoin or Litecoin, right? Now if you have a Binance account, you can just copy your address, and you can come to this very place and paste your address right here. As you can see, you can paste your address right here. If you use a PayPal account, you can just come to this very place and also paste your address right here. Now if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to watch the video you'll be seeing at the end screen of this video, or you can check the description, the related videos in the description, on how you can create a verified PayPal account you can use to receive money anywhere in the world. So once you create a PayPal account, you just come ahead right here, paste the address here, and you come ahead and save payment method to save it, right? But if you have a Binance account, go ahead and use a Bitcoin account or a Litecoin account. So this is how you can receive your payment on this very platform. Simple as ABC. Now you can easily get in touch with them, and you can contact them, and they have a customer care that will respond to you. And you can follow them on social media platforms. You can see Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and all of that. And you can also delete your account if you want to delete your account. Now you can come to frequently asked questions to know more about the platform. Right, now you can come to general questions, sending SMS, payment issues and all of that. Come to general questions, you can have access to their general questions. What SMS will I receive and what should I do with them? As you can see, you will receive SMS tests which have code with random letters or numbers in its content. Beside that, the content can include anything, including links. Please ignore completely all our tests. Ignore completely all our tests and do not reply to any of them. We send tests only in order to check if they have been delivered to your phone. Once your balance is updated, please feel free to delete the message and all of that. So make sure you go through all this right now so that you can know how the platform works. I didn't find my country during registration. What should I do? If you didn't find your country during registration, it means that money SMS isn't available on your country, meaning it's not available on all country. Now this platform make money by delivering message to you. Now there are companies out there who want to test their message server, right? They need people like you who are real humans and who has network to test the delivering server of their SMS. So make sure you use the link in the description. Also use the referral code so you can get your 50 cents while registering on this very platform. I believe you found value from this video. If you do, give this video a like and also subscribe if you have not done so. right? And if you have any questions, any challenges, or you want me to make this video more elaborate, also let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to reply, and I'm going to consider that. With that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. So this is basically how you can make money with this very application. Now this is the easiest way to make money online right now. Go down there, download the app and start using it right away. Don't sleep on this, right? And if this works for you, make sure you come back to the comment section and share your experience with this very application. And if you have any issues or any challenges using this very app, let me know in the comment section so that I will offer solution to you, right? Now if you find value from this very content, don't forget to leave a like in this video. Now with all this said, click here right here to access a playlist of ways you can make money using the internet. With that said, I'll see you in these videos right here. Bye for now.